Hello and welcome. Our topic for the day is finding the direction from the horizontal requires trigonometry. In the upcoming questions, we'll be asked to find out the direction of the vectors. Let's look at the first question. Solve what is the direction of the given vector 5, 19. So this is the vector that is given to us. This is the x component while this is the y component. Theta is the angle. So to find out the direction, we take up the tangent of theta. Tangent of theta is nothing but y over x. Therefore, to find out the direction, we have to find out theta. Theta is equal to tangent inverse of y over x. That is the y component over the x component. Taken the tangent inverse will give us the direction of the vector. So here we are given the question, what is the direction of the vector 5, 19. So to find out theta, we do tangent inverse of the y component is 19 while the x component is 5. We put this value in the calculator and we get the value of theta as 75.26 degrees. This is the direction, and the final answer can be seen in option B. Let's try the next question. Solve what is the direction of the vector 6, 7. So here the vector is identified as 6, 7. The first component is the x component while the second component is a y component. For direction, we find out theta. Theta is nothing but tangent inverse of y over x. We plug in the value of y as 7 in this and x as 6. So when we put this in the calculator, the value of theta comes out to be 49.4 degrees. This can be seen in option A, which is the correct answer. Let's try another question. Solve what is the direction of the vector given by 2, 2. So here the given vector is 2, 2. So this is the x component, this is the y component. Now we know theta is nothing but tangent inverse of 2 divided by 2. This is nothing but tangent inverse of 1. So when we put this value in the calculator, we find out that theta comes out to be 45 degrees. This you can also remember that tangent of 45 degrees equals to 1. I hope finding the direction from the horizontal requiring trigonometry is easy now. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.